In this video, we'll show you how to use the Plan Report feature available in IG Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. Plan Report is a free feature that creates a preview link of your upcoming scheduled and unscheduled content. You can send this link to others to review content and captions all before anything goes live. Please note, Plan Report is only available on our web dashboard and not our mobile app. To access Plan Report, click here at the top of your grid. You are now in Plan Report. Choose to filter post by either unscheduled, scheduled, or both. You can pick to send your content by either copying the link or sending it via email. When copying the link, it is active for 48 hours. You can send this link anywhere a URL can be inserted. When emailing, please note, Planoly can only send up to 60 pieces of content. When you're ready to email your content, click on Send. That's a wrap! You now know how to use the Plan Report feature, available in IG Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit PLANOLY Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.